Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nufara Adriana binti Muhammad Isa with metric number D20221101844 from Faculty of Computer and Meta Technology. In this video, I would like to talk about process management. What is process management? Process management is rules that happen in computer system by computer components. Process management is a fundamental function of any operation system (OS) that deals with the creation, scheduling, execution, and termination of process. It essentially acts as a conductor for the various programs running on your computer, ensuring they get the resources they need to function efficiently and don't conflict with each other. What is the difference of process and program? A program is a passive collection of instructions stored on a disk. When a program is loaded into memory and begins execution, it becomes a process. For example, CMOS. It's complementary metal oxide semiconductor, which are the smallest work unit in computer. Resources required by the process include CPU, memory, internal memory like RAM, external memory like disk, file that save bit or number in one group, input and output device. Now, I would like to explain about thread. Thread is the basic unit of CPU utilization. A thread in a process will execute one task or command at a time. Next, we will go to process state. In a process state, a process can be in the various state during its life cycle, such as running actively using the CPU, ready waiting for the CPU, waiting for an input or output operation, and terminate finish executions. In this process consists of number 1, new state where the process is being created. Number 2, ready status where the process ready to run but CPU still not available because running other process. Number 3, completed status where the process is complete. Number 4, waiting state where the process is waiting for a certain event. Number 5, running state, where the process is running. In this state, the CPU is executing instruction in the process. Number 6, terminate state, where they will have interrupt in software, machine or hardware, and human in the process. So, next is the process creation. The OS generates a new process typically when a user opens an application or another process spawns a child process. This involves allocation memory and resources for the new process. Next, I will share about process scheduling. The OS determines which process get to use the CPU at a given time. This involves an algorithm that prioritizes processes based on factors like urgency, resources, requirement, and fairness. Next is resources allocation. The OS grants processes access to system resources like memory, CPU time, and input and output device. It ensures efficient allocation to avoid resource starvation, a process unable to proceed due to the lack of resources, and deadlock where multiple processes wait for each other to release resources. There is one additional concept which is context switching. Context switching happens when the OS switch between process. It saves the state of the current process and loads the state of the new process. This allows the OS to resume the process from where it left off when it regains CPU time. But effectively managing process, the OS ensure of efficient, fairness, stability, efficient programming, fairness, stability, the basic concept of management process, where we give unique number as an identifier that called process identifier or PID in the form of a unique integer numbers. Processes that are created using fork system is called process forking. There are two types process in fork system. The first one is calling process that we call parents. Number two is copy process that we call child. Parent can process more than one, making it possible to be executed many child. Child can process same as parent but in different PID. This is the example that I can give to you to observe. So, that's all for me. Thank you. Bye-bye.